element where there is a tree, there is a tree. Okay, you can see this the bird is doing all the work with her legs because she is a handicapped girl. Her story, a real story only you are going to learn. You can, if you see in Google, you can understand about Ila, that her story we are going to learn. So you can see some stitch in your page number 46. The stitches we are making in our cloth and all. Embroidery ചെയ്യുന്ന നല്ല ടാലന്റ് ഉള്ള ഒരു കൊച്ചാണ് ഇല്ല. But she don't have hands properly to do. You can see her picture in your note. Next one. मलमली धोती का बादामी रंग खिलौता था, किनारों पर कसूती के टाकों से पिरोई हुई बेल. So मलमली धोती means, you know, it's a muslin dhoti blossomed with almond color vines and all. നല്ല മുണ്ടിൽ ചെയ്ത എംബ്രോയിഡറി പറ്റിയാണ് പറയുന്നത്. किनारों पर कसूती के टाकों से पिरोई हुई बेल and the sides it's decorated with the stitches. पल्लू पर बरवान ढांक के अपना कमाल दिखा रहे थे. And the साड़ी पल्लू को हमने साड़ी के पल्लू को. Okay, there also she's done so many talented work. Means what we say, beautiful work with the embroidery. सुनहरे और हरे बेलबूटों से जान आ गई थी मलमल में. That silk saree which came like golden and silver threads used to do the embroidery. इन बेलबूटों को सजाया था इला मचान ने. These all vines and leaves are decorated by this इला alone. इला की हिम्मत की अनोखी मिसाल ये कढ़ाई के नमूने. So the courage of Ila's you can see in so many embroidery of designs on the cloth and towel, whatever it is, whether she is getting, she is doing that. 26 साल की इला गुजरात के सूरत जिले में रहती है. 26 years old इला is living in गुजरात. उनका बचपन अमरेली जिले के राजकोट गांव में अपना नाना के यहाँ हुई. She spent her childhood with his maternity. नाना means अप्पन, अम्माडे वीट्टू अप्पन. She was spent there, that village. सांझ होते ही मोहल्ले के बच्चे घरों से बाहर आ जाते. कुछ मिट्टी में आड़ी तिरछी लकीरें खींचते, कुछ कनौत के पत्तों पे पिटपिटी बजाते, कुछ गिट्टे खेलते, कुछ इधर उधर टूटे फूटे घड़ों के ठीकरे बटों पर पिट्ठू फेंकते. जब इन खेलों में से मन भर जाता तो पेड़ की डालियों पर झूला झूलकर ऊंची ऊंची पेंगे लेते और ऊंचे स्वर में एक साथ गाते. कच्चे नीम की निम्बोली सावन जल्दी अयोरे. So you know, when evening times, all the children have only one wish to go and play out, isn't it? So like you people, the village, especially village, all the children will be out in evening time. So they will play so many type of games like they will use the lines and will jump and will play. Then pebbles is there, no pebbles, gittu khelenge. Then piti banana with leaf they will make pee and it will make sound. Okay, might be your grandparents if you are asking, they will share with you these are their childhood games. So and if they are after this games they will swing on the trees. They will put a swinging and unnaraketi from unchai means that much top they will swing on that and they will sing this song, rose seed of neem rain season come. Right, all the children know they like rain, isn't it? You also like to play with rain. So same like these children also will sing this same song. इला गाने में तो उनका साथ देती पर उनके साथ पेंगे नहीं ले पाई. So is handicapped girl. She cannot run like that. You can see her picture. So she cannot give that much support to them. But even then, she will play with them. She will sing with them. रस्सी पकड़ने के हाथ बढ़ाते मगर हाथ तो टूटते भी नहीं. Actually, she want to swing, but her hands is like that. She cannot lift it. मैं भी ऐसा कुछ क्यों नहीं कर पाती. मन ही मन सोचती. She was thinking herself in mind. Why can't I cannot do these all things? बच्चे भी चाहते कि इला किसी न किसी तरह तो उनके साथ खेल सके. The all children like she also come and join with them, but she cannot. But some children, some games she will play. कभी कभार वो पकड़म पकड़ाई और विष अमृत के खेल में शामिल हो जाती है. Sometimes she will play with this विष अमृत and पकड़म पकड़ाई means catch and catch. विष अमृत also another type of a game. आकाश and पापा getting there they say विष and अमृत. So like some games she will sometimes she will play with them. साथियों के साथ जमकर भागती मगर जब धप्पा करने की बारी आती तो फिर निराश हो जाती है. You know, sad and can like the problem मतलब कहीं है. She don't have hands. Hands means handicapped, like cannot use her hands properly. So she will be very sad on that. वो बहुत कोशिश करती पर उनके हाथों ने तो जैसे उसका साथ न देने की ठान रखी थी. लीला ने अपने हाथों की इस जिद को एक चुनौती माना. So she know when she want to do with hand, she is failing. So, but she didn't give up that. She started. She want to do something like. उसने वो सब अपने पैरों से करना सीखा जो हम हाथों से करते हैं. What we are doing with our hands, she started doing with her legs. दाल भात खाना, दूसरों के बाल बनाना, फर्श बुहाना, कपड़े धोना, तरकारी करना, यहाँ तक कि थप्पी पर लिखना भी. See, what the things she is doing with her legs, whatever things she will make others chair properly. Then she was doing the cooking. Then she is brooming. Then washing the clothes. Then cutting the vegetables. And whatever thing, by writing also, writing on the leaves, whatever it is, she was started doing with her legs. कहीं तो कहीं उसने एक स्कूल में दाखिला ले लिया. She got an admission in school. दाखिला मिलने में भी वो परेशानी हुई. She got getting so many troubles when she got admission too. कहीं तो उसकी सुरक्षा को लेकर चिंता थी. By her safety, it's very big thing. कहीं उसके काम करने की गति को लेकर sometimes her work that might be she is very slow to writing because she is using her legs. So for that, then किसी काम को तो वो इतनी फुर्ती से कर जाती कि देखने वाले दंग रह जाते. So the other all works when she is doing with her legs, the others doing with that much keen interest she was doing, the other was wondering. दंग रह जाती. They were surprising to see her work. पर किसी काम में थोड़ी बहुत परेशानी तो आती थी. Some work she is taking so much troubles. वो परेशानियों के आगे घुटने टेकने वाली नहीं थी. She don't like to kneel down in these troubles. उसने 10वीं कक्षा तक पढ़ाई थी. Till 10th standard she went to study. वो 10वीं की परीक्षा पास नहीं कर पाई. But she didn't pass on that exam. तिला को यह मालूम न था कि परीक्षा के लिए उसे अतिरिक्त समय मिल सकता था. Actually she don't have the knowledge that if like a handicapped children will get extra times. That knowledge she don't have and she didn't take any help from others. और उसे ऐसे व्यक्ति की सुविधा मिल सकती थी जो परीक्षा में उसके लिए लिखने का काम कर सके. And she don't know that she will get anybody's help to do the work. यह जानकारी इला को समय रहते मिल जाती तो कितना अच्छा रहता. उसे इस बात का दुख है. So on the time if she is getting like information, might be she will be getting marks, good marks, and she will be passed in 10th. उसकी माँ और पर यहाँ आकर सब कुछ खत्म तो नहीं हो जाता ना. But failing is not a last, isn't it? she take as a step forward on that failure. उसकी माँ और दादी कशीदाकारी करते थे. Her mother and her grandmother was doing embroidery. So वह उन्हें सुई में रेशम पिरोने से लेकर बूटियाँ उकेरते हुए देखती. She was watching that much interest and she was observing them nicely. न जाने कब उसने कशीदाकारी करने की ठान ली. यहाँ भी उसने अपने पैर से अंगूठों का सहारा लिया. दोनों अंगूठों के बीच सुई थामकर कच्चा रेशम पिरोना कोई आसान काम नहीं था. Using her legs and putting the thread on that needle, this all things very difficult work. Even she is doing very correct, very neatly. पर कहते ना जहाँ राह जहाँ चाह वहाँ राह. So everybody is telling na there is a where there is will there is a way. उसके विश्वास और धैर्य ने कुदरत को भी झुठला दिया. And because of her hard work and belief, the God gave her, blessed her. 15-16 साल होते होते इला कटियावाड़ी कशीदाकारी में माहिर हो चुकी थी. Within 15-16 years, she was very famous on the Kathiawadi embroidery. Kathiawadi means that place, that's very famous. Okay, with किस वस्त्र पर किस तरह के नमूने बनाए जाए, कौन से रंगों से नमूना खिल उठेगा और टांके कौन से लगे, ये सब वो समझ गई थी. And she understood what type, where it is suits, and which type of namuna means examples on the needed to draw there. These all things she learned within few years before. एक समय ऐसा भी आया, अब उसके द्वारा काढ़े गए परिधानों की प्रदर्शनी लगी. And the time came to exhibit all the things she done. इन परिधानों में कठियावाड़ के साथ साथ लखनऊ और बंगाल भी झलक रहा था. And this all exhibition, this all thing, when the people came to know this girl is doing all were and she became famous in Lucknow, Bengal, this all place her exhibition came and she became famous. इला ने कठियावाड़ी टांकों के साथ साथ और कई टांके भी इस्तेमाल किए. And she done the stitches of Kathiawadi as well as and other type of stitches also she experienced. पत्तियों को चिकनकारी को सजाया, डंडियों को कांता में उभारा था. This all are embroidery work name. ചിക്കൻകാരി, കാന്താവർ, സാരികളിലൊക്കെ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു വർക്കാണിത്. This all she experienced. पशु पक्षियों का ज्यामितीय आकृतियां, the geometrical shapes of animals and birds, कसूती और जंजीरे से उठा रखा था. पारंपरिक डिजाइनों में वो नवीनता सभी को बहुत भाई. So she used the traditional and made it modern. Okay, with the traditional she made it modern and this it was become famous. इला के पाँव आप रुकते नहीं हैं. आंखों में चमक, होंठों पर मुस्कान और अनूठा विश्वास के लिए वो सुनहरी रूपहली बूटियां मुकारते थकती नहीं है. And Ila's legs are not stopping now. It is moving forward and forward. And it is her eyes are that shining we can see, and her lips we can see the smile and a unique belief that she is believing herself, and she is making her beautiful embroidery with gold and silver designs on every cloth wherever she is getting chance. So see nothing is impossible. That only Ila's life teaching us. Okay children, you can understand more and more about Ila and when Google class we will meet, we will discuss the other things and meet soon with next class. Bye bye, stay safe.